Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Gemini Advanced for free. So first you just need to open your Gemini application. Now tap on your profile icon at the top right corner where you will find try Gemini Advanced. So it will allow you to use Gemini Advanced for free for a certain time. So it's not permanent, it's actually a trial of Gemini Advanced. So you can say now tap on try Gemini Advanced here, and after that let it load, and here you can find the trial button here, start trial. So you can just tap on the start trial button here and agree, tap on agree to the terms and services, the terms of services and the policies. Now you have to wait until it loads. So you just need to enter the password of your Apple account if you have one. Like I'm going to add it, tap on OK button here, and here you can find that it is just loading. So it has just verified, so you have to wait until it loads. And here you have to tap on subscribe button. So if you tap on subscribe, then continue to tap on this continue button here. After that you will find this pop-up section where it is, you can see that data is loading here. So you have to enter your card details like your card holder name, expiry date and CVV number. So you can or if you have already added a payment method, your credit card or debit card, then it will just ask you for to add that payment card or payment method, that card. So after adding that you just need to tap on done, then it will just subscribe to Gemini Advanced, and it won't deducted your money from your card. It won't you don't need to pay for the trial, but it will ask you for pay after the 1 month trial or the certain time, but the 15-day trials. So but first you have to enter or add your payment method with the Google, this Gemini, so they can just alert you that you just need to pay for the next period of using this Gemini Advanced. So after adding that, trial is totally free, so you can just use Gemini Advanced for free for 15 days or 30 days. So that's how you can just use Gemini Advanced for free. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.